Tired of juggling spreadsheets and endless calculations just to bill your clients? Well, Clockify's built-in invoicing feature can turn those tracking hours into accurate invoices in just a few clicks. First, make sure you're tracking time accurately using Clockify's timer or manual entry options. This data is the foundation of your invoices. Next, navigate to your workspace settings and find the Billable Rates section here. You can set hourly rates for yourself, your team members, or even specific projects. Setting up these rates beforehand will automatically calculate the cost of your services. Now, head over to the Reports section. Apply the necessary filters, such as date range, client, and project, to select the time entries you want to include in your invoice. Once you're happy with the selection, click on the Generate Invoice button. You'll be redirected to the Invoice Editor, where you can customize the look and feel of your invoice, add your company logo, adjust the invoice number, and include any additional notes or descriptions. Clockify offers customizable templates to match your brand. Fill in your payment information, including your preferred payment methods and bank details. This will ensure your clients know exactly how to pay you. Finally, preview your invoice to make sure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, you can download it as a PDF or send it directly to your client from within Clockify. You can also track payment status within Clockify to stay organized. And that's it. Clockify's invoicing feature simplifies your billing process, ensuring accurate and timely payments for your hard work. Start streamlining your invoicing today.